Hey, this is Manahil and I live in Punjab, Pakistan. I have completed my Bachelor's of Biochemistry from a reputed university in Lahore. Recently, I taught in a school known as STEP School since I was the class teacher, so I had to deal with their courses along with that behavior management, and of course, I taught them some manners to live in this world. Right, so during this experience, I faced a lot of challenges, and of course, when I solved the problems of my students, it was quite an experience to live with. So now through this online platform, I believe I will be getting exposure to different kinds of students. So this diversity will be more challenging, and I'm so ready to solve all the problems of my students. So I'm looking forward to it. Thank you so much.